record this session. Ornish, just sit with one copy so that it will be easier for you to learn that. Though this is not from the syllabus. Okay, I'm just going to share my screen. Okay, so this is my screen. From here, first of all, I am going to go to the start button. Okay, if your Windows 10 is there, here you will find out the settings from here, just above the power button. Okay, just left click on that. Everything we are left clicking. Okay, Hornish. So here, then what you will do, personalization, one option will come. Personalization means how you are going to set your set your computer according to you. On the personalization, we will just left click on that. Here you can see background HD wallpaper. From this folder I have made it slideshow. That is why my laptop's wallpaper will be getting changed on every 1 minute. Here you can see that lock screen generally known as the screen saver. Here in the lock screen, few pictures will come. You can choose any one of the pictures, okay, or you can add any pictures from here also, from your computer. You can browse from here. Suppose in my G drive, okay, in my G drive, here are many photos are there, okay. Suppose I'm opening any of the photos. Okay, so here my Kashmir tours, every photos are there. If I wish to add it, I can just add it from here. Okay, so like this way you can just add it. Means you can personalize your computer. Suppose theme is there, font is there. Okay, so whatever start button, how the start button will be opening, taskbar, how you want to keep it, lock the taskbar is on, means in generally there will not be uh, anything from here. Okay, so automatically hide the taskbar. Here my computer is just working in desktop mode as well as it is working as the tab also. Okay, so both the options will come. So from the personalization, actually you need to do one thing. Again, I'm just showing from the first so that you can remember. First of all, you need to go to the start button. After that, settings. Okay, from the settings you can just add your device also. Many things you can do, so nothing you need to do. Just go to personalization, and from here, lock screen, go to lock screen. Suppose I want to change this lock screen pictures to this pictures. Okay, my picture has been changed. How the change will come, here one small preview will show, so accordingly it will be changed. Okay, I hope that you understood it. Hornish, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, what is the screensaver?
Screensaver and lock screen is same. Screensaver and lock screen means almost same. When your screen will be time out, that thing will come.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See, your book is the thing is your book is written on a very older Windows version, Windows 7, and now I am using Windows 10. So a little bit difference is there in the settings as well. That time there was in the Windows 7 there was no such thing as called as settings. But right now there was control panel. But right now control panel is not there. That is named as settings. Okay, and I hope that if you are having computer, mostly you are using Windows 8 or 10. So obviously these things only you need to learn. Okay, so going to the actual of our syllabus. Today we are just going to learn from this page types of mouse. Okay, Now here we are just going to write few things, few meanings. From here. First of all, I'm just writing it. You can write it on your copy, or you can write it on your book's white space also. So anything, whatever you are wanting. First, data meaning, what I have told. I told you that images, important files, important contacts, everything, whatever we are keeping inside our phones or inside our computer, like the way I am showing you the question answer in the Word document. That is also called files. Okay. So all these things are known as data. So what is the meaning of data? Please write it down. Images, files, contacts, mails, important documents which we are keeping inside our computer. Next is here few things was there. This line I have explained, but I hope that handled. I have not written anything. Okay, means what? We previously mouse was invented much later, but previously by keyboard we can give the instructions. Suppose one file is there. Okay, we need to document file is there, doc file. Okay, we need to save it. So we can save it by using our mouse as well as our keyboard. So while we are using keyboard, we can use one shortcut, Control plus S. But while we are using mouse, we have to go to file and we have to just go to save option. So please write it down. So both the input file we can use from here. Okay, just make one point in your copy. Make one point in your copy and just write it down. And next here, first whatever you need to write from here also you can write for here. Right now, whatever types of mouse are there, first listen to it, then write it. I will give you much time to write it. Types of mouse is there. It has given first mechanical mouse, optical mouse, and optomechanical mouse. Okay. So mechanical mouse has a rubber or metal ball on its underside so that it can roll in every direction. There are sensors within the mouse which are mechanical, detect the direction in which the ball is moving and moves the pointer on the screen in the same direction. A mouse that should be used under the mouse to run on. Optical mouse, light beam it is using, which activates the mouse to offer direction to speed the cursor. Okay, and balls and wheels are eliminated. These two lines. And mechanical mouse mostly we are using, but right now many of you and I also having laptops. Okay, so laptops mouse is quite a little different than this type of mouse. Okay, so here you please write down in laptops mouse, in laptops touchpad touchpad is used as mouse. Please write those informations. I'm giving you time. If when it is done, raise your hand. Five of you only raise your hand. Rest of the students, please write it very fast. After that, few things: left click, double click, right click, drag and drop, scrolling button. These things I will show you. If it is completed, raise your hand. From today onwards, I will give a little bit homework on maths. Means your mental maths book. Please do your homework, okay? complete it. 6 minutes is already gone. Few more minutes I will give. Okay. So here I'm just going to stop the share because I need to show the three options: left click, right click, and drag and drop, and double click as well. So first of all, here you can see that just wait. Okay. So here you can see that this is the desktop area, and here your folder is there where I'm marking my pointer. I hope that everyone can see. Now here I have to select the folder. So I will just left click on it. It will be selected. I need to suppose I need to open this folder. So what I will do, I will double click on this folder and the folder will be opened. And here, since I have not saved anything inside the folder, here the folder is entirely empty. Okay. Next is, suppose I want to close the folder. On the right hand side of your screen, you all can see one close button will come, red and cross. So here one left click I will do, and I will just close the folder. Now here drag and drop. So drag and drop means like this, you will remember কান ধরে টেনে এনে বসিয়ে দেওয়া. Okay. So drag means here what I will do, I will first move the cursor over here, left click on it, and I will just drag this folder standard 3A and keeping it on the right hand side. So this is called drag and drop. Again, I am just dragging and dropping this folder on its previous position. Okay. So this is called drag and drop option. I hope that you understood. So what thing we have learned over here? First I have to select this particular folder standard 3A. So I will left click on it. If I have to open this folder, I need to double click on it. Okay. If I have to close the folder, I have to uh, put means I have to left click on the close button. Again, here if I have to drag and drop, left click, I will just press and hold, and I will drag and drop this folder from anywhere. And if I want to just keep it on the previous position, again I will just drag and drop over here. Okay. So here, first of all, we will see the next thing here, that what is the use of right button. Then right button means, here I hope that I told you that while I want to make a new folder on a blank desktop area, what I will do first, I will just right click on it first, then left click on the new. Here the folder will be created. So folder, I will just go here, the folder will be made. Again, if I want to delete this folder, I will right click on the folder and delete it by just left clicking on it. Is it clear to everyone? Show me a thumbs up if it is clear. Show me a thumbs up. This thing, whatever I told you, this thing I will write it on the whiteboard as well. Okay. So please write this thing with me so that you can remember this for your work. Okay. Just open your copy, all of you. And all of you opened your copy, right? All of you, I hope that able to see my. See my whiteboard, means white, not whiteboard, it is your documents, doc file. So here we will write, just making one point here. First of all, we will write okay. First of all, give the heading as your chapter name. What is the heading? Chapter 5. Chapter 5, and write down extra notes. Okay. So from here, we are just going to start our writing. Okay. So we will make one point like this, and we will write it. If we want to open the folder standard CA, sorry, C, CA, CA, first of all, just wait for a while. If we want to select the folder standard 3A, then we will fill in the blanks I'm giving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left, click on it. Answer already I have told. This will be your homework. Okay, answer already I am writing. Much bigger, take a screenshot. Much time is very late. Okay, so here how you will just complete this thing back at your home. left, right, drag and drop, double click. Okay, whatever you have to write from that. Okay. So write this thing. I'm just going to take the attendance. You can do this thing right now also. Tomorrow I will tell the answers of this fill in the blanks. Don't raise your hand. I'm going to take your attendance. Okay. Try to write these questions back at your home. Class time is much low. I'm just stopping this share. I will just share it in the folder on the classwork folder. Okay. So you will just take it from here, and also from today I will give some homework on maths also. Please complete all those things back at your home. I'm ending this class. Okay. Not completed, I think so. I'm just showing it once more.